y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Erica. Of course, this is Color Guard with Plus. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning to my channel. You already know God is gonna bless you. Today on my channel, it is Vlogmas day 11, and as you guys can see, I am here from the Christmas tree here at my job. So I will be showing you guys a holiday little tour of my office. We are doing this holiday craft week. No, I'm sorry, this holiday spirit week next week, and one of the days is like a holiday craft thing, and I am a part of the holiday committee, of course, so I want to show you guys some of the little holiday crafts that I am going to be doing. So here's our door. You see, even Santa gotta have a mask on. Pretty. We got some little decor going on. This is our conference room. Cool. This is my boss, but I'm not gonna show you y'all because she be acting like she don't want to be on camera. These are little ornaments. We're gonna sit here and paint these. We'll put glitter on them. And we got the little bells. So then we found these little paper plate things, paper Santas that you can make. So of course, you know, got the paper plates. We're gonna be some big kids next week. We got some stickers. See, like all holiday stickers. I thought these was the cutest things. Some other ones. And then we just have pipe cleaners just in case anybody wants to use them for anything. But yeah, I'm pretty hype about all of this. Definitely a big spread of different activities and games that people, not games, but you know, just activities in general that people can go ahead and do. Also put some bells and stuff on the windows just to make it a little festive in here. We got a little elf. That's about it. Let's say we had to be ghetto and only do half of the table because, you know, just in case we gotta have meetings, you gotta be professional. Then be like, oh, psych, let's have fun. So we also have another day where we're gonna have like this hot chocolate bar thing. So we made like these little goodie bags that have like hot chocolate, marshmallows, candy, peppermint, like all of the things that you can put in the hot chocolate thing. I'm gonna show you. Here are our goodie bags that we made for everybody in the company. Let's see, we got the little hot chocolate. Can't really see, but it has marshmallows and candy and Hershey Kisses. All that good. Don't forget that I still have this giveaway that is going on, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I think we are almost at 400, so please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching day 11 of Vlogmas. As always, see you guys back soon on Color Guard with Bliss. Color Guard with Bliss. See you guys.